it's got to happen to every videographer once. The drone is in the tree. Space Gray, 256 gigabytes. Oops. Okay, it is pretty much pitch black in Richmond Park and there's mist everywhere. This is going to be an awesome shoot. It is currently 6:10 in the morning and I'm out here in Richmond Park and we're about to film using the new iPhone XS Max to see what its video capabilities are like. Welcome to Richmond Park. Just so you can see what I'm actually using here, I've got the Zion Smooth Q literally on top of my Manfrotto B3 travel tripod. So this is really cool because it gives you the extra weight that you need to kind of get smoother footage, because if you're just holding the Zion, it's you know, it's going to be a lot more wobble, but this, it just gives you that little bit more weight. It's almost like having a bigger DSLR gimbal, for example. So this is a really great setup if you are shooting with your phone. Obviously it's not the most convenient, there's a reason that you have your phone and a gimbal if you're out shooting, but this does get it just that bit extra smooth if this is your main setup. So the drone is in a tree, probably a couple heights higher than I am. So there's that. But we've got to keep filming with the iPhone, so we'll worry about that in a little bit. Also, there's like these giant stags over there, so... I shall keep ye as a sign of my victory. So, we're definitely getting some great footage with this phone. Definitely a notch better on the iPhone 8 Plus that we've been using for the last year. Would I use it professionally? Probably not, but it's a great thing to have in my pocket when I don't have the GH5S or the GH4 on me. I can just pull it out and shoot whatever it is. It is high quality enough to include in some professional projects, but it certainly won't be my main camera. As for you, that's up to you. I wouldn't invest in this phone as a camera, I'd invest in it as a phone that has a great camera. Invest in proper gear if you're taking video production seriously. Well, that was fun. Hope it's helpful. And just hope we don't have a parking ticket. Okay, now to find a shop open that is selling the new GoPro 7 that has been released today.